deadly conditions are triggering dramatic changes in the conditions of the planet, something that affects both you and I. Take a look.
Earth is in danger. Here's what you need to know. Let's shift our focus to space, where ironically, there's not much space to spare. We're talking about stars here, especially the older ones. They're not very neighborly. As they age, they tend to hog all the space around them. As they get older, they also get bigger, expanding so much that nearby planets don't have enough room and end up being swallowed by the stars. Exploring the vastness of outer space reveals not just fascinating mysteries, but also dangerous threats. It's a realm filled with violent forces where events of incredible power, even more potent than atomic bomb explosions, occur. To unravel the mysteries of the world, simply like this video and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. 1. Earth gets pulled into a black hole. The sun got bigger before it collapsed. We might see one of the strangest forces in the universe at work, a black hole. This happens when a really huge star dies, and its super strong gravity can tear apart other stars and planets. Right now, the sun isn't big enough to cause this, but if a black hole showed up near Earth, its gravity would start pulling on our planet in weird ways, causing big earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. As we got closer to the black hole's edge, called the event horizon, there's a scary chance Earth could be stretched out like a piece of rubber, a process called spaghettification. This would squish everything on Earth into long strings of tiny bits until it's all sucked into the black hole. 2. What if Jupiter turns into a star? If Jupiter were to undergo a remarkable transformation, evolving into a star, the ramifications for our planet would be significant and potentially disastrous. Currently, Jupiter stands as a colossal gas giant, boasting a mass greater than that of all the other planets in our solar system combined. The composition of gases within Jupiter's swirling atmosphere mirrors that of the Sun. The gases in Jupiter are made of the same stuff as the Sun, but if Jupiter suddenly got 1,000 times heavier, it would turn into a star at the center of our solar system. This change would mess up the paths of the other planets, possibly pulling Earth closer to Jupiter and making it really hot here. Or the strong gravity might send Earth flying off into space, away from the Sun. Without the Sun's heat, Earth would freeze, and all life would die. 3. Earth spinning at an incredibly fast rate. Earth spins really fast, completing a full turn on its axis about every 24 hours. But it's not the same speed everywhere. At the equator, where Earth is widest, it spins the fastest, zooming along at about 460 meters per second. Near the North or South Pole, though, it barely moves at all. This spinning is super important for life on Earth because it creates day and night, keeping temperatures nice for living things. Earth's spin also affects the weather and ocean tides. If we made Earth spin even faster, say just a tiny bit faster, we'd barely notice, maybe just a minute or two less in a day. But if we really cranked up the speed to 45 meters per second, a day would only last about 20 hours. That would be pretty confusing, like feeling jet lag all the time. And we'd have to change our yearly calendar to match the new, shorter days. 4. When an asteroid arrives with flare, it can unleash something even more bone-chilling than hurricanes. When an asteroid hits, it can cause something even scarier than hurricanes. Hurricanes are already super destructive storms, but compared to what an asteroid can do, they seem small. If a really big asteroid crashed into the ocean, it could create a huge storm called a Hypercane. This storm would be way worse than any regular hurricane. The heat and force from the impact could make ocean temperatures soar above 49 degrees C, and the winds would be as fast as the speed of sound, reaching heights of up to 40 kilometers. These strong winds would push water and particles high up into the atmosphere, damaging the ozone layer. Even if people weren't blown into space by the winds, the radiation from the sun could still be really dangerous on Earth's surface. 5. Every volcano erupts at once. Earth's future seems like it couldn't possibly get any worse, right? But what if I told you, right now there are 10 to 20 volcanoes erupting all over the planet? They're spewing out ash and gas, filling the air with chaos. Now picture this. If every single volcano on Earth decided to blow their tops all at once, there'd be no escaping the chaos, no matter where you are. Rocks heated to 1,000 degrees Celsius would hurtle at speeds up to 700 kilometers per hour, disrupting Earth's balance and potentially shifting the poles. Thick layers of ash and gas would block sunlight, plunging us into darkness. As the lava cools, temperatures would plummet, initiating another ice age. Though this event may not obliterate the planet, it would eliminate any chance of sustaining life until the skies clear. This dire scenario highlights the urgency of preparedness and resilience for Earth's future. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.